In today's video, I will teach you how to generate retro-style portraits using AI. Let's get started. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to create a retro-style portrait, specifically in a pin-up style, using Photor's easy-to-use interface. Whether you're creating nostalgic gifts, unique social media profile pictures, or just having fun, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to Photor's AI Artifacts. Here, you can upload your photo and instantly apply dozens of AI-generated styles. Now, click on the Upload Image button at the center of the screen, or drag and drop your photo into the designated area. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the preview area. For best results, use a well-lit front-facing portrait, avoid photos with multiple people, motion blur, or heavy shadowed faces, and make sure to choose a simple background for cleaner AI processing. In the left sidebar, scroll through the available style categories. Under the Universal category, find and click the Pinup option. This filter applies a vintage mid-century retro vibe to your portrait, complete with color tones and illustration styling reminiscent of classic pinup posters. After a few seconds, Photor will generate your retro portrait. Now click the Compare button in the bottom right corner and see the difference between the original and the stylized version. This helps you determine how much the AI has transformed your image and whether you're happy with the look. If the result isn't quite what you've envisioned, click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail, and the AI will generate a new variation of the same style. You can regenerate as many times as needed to find your perfect retro portrait. Each version will be slightly different in colors, poses, and illustration nuances. And once you're happy with the outcome, click Download in the top right corner of the screen and choose your desired file type and resolution. Then save it to your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.